He's the only trainer who actually got the change in her, and
I mean, you've been very consistent, you've been very patient with me, and you've been very supportive.
only trainer जिसकी बात सुनती है ये। तू एक काम कर, किसी के पास मत जा, सिर्फ प्रवीण को बुला, क्योंकि तू प्रवीण की सुनती है और प्रवीण ही कर सकता है।
What's good? I'm Praveen from BodyProCoach Fitness, and today we're doing is about burpees over the bar. Okay, it's pretty simple movement. You want to learn the burpees first completely, then learn the jumping over the bar. So you may want to practice this movement separately, master it, and then you can start performing burpees over the bar to create high amount of intensity when you're working out. Let's have a look. Alright guys, so that's about burpees over the bar. Pretty simple, but it does take the heart rate really up and gets you a great workout. So make sure that you guys incorporate these kind of compound movements if you're looking forward to shred some weight, at the same time get the leanest look possible. Please make sure to subscribe because we've got a number of videos coming up for you guys. So, and put this notification now that you always get the notification of our new videos. I'll look forward to see you in the next video.